This bill finally delivers on a promise that I've made to the American people for decades. But Republicans choose not to join us. In the end, every single Republican voted against this historic law.
Every single Republican voted against this historic law.
You don't scare me!
If MAGA Republicans in Congress try to repeal the Affordable Care Act, not a single Republican member of Congress voted for the money. That's what I see in the Republican of Ireland today.
That's what I see in the Republican of Ireland today.
With a lot of great Republicans, I mean it. A lot of great Thank you, man. There was a time when some of the nation's most dedicated conservationists were on the other party. But the extreme MAGA Republicans have taken control of the House of Representatives. MAGA Republicans want to protect those subsidies for big oil. My friends on the right, they criticize the move. My fellow Americans, when I ran for president, I was told the days of bipartisanship were over, and that Democrats and Republicans can no longer work together. At the beginning of this debate, some of my Republican colleagues were determined to gut the clean energy investments, saving taxpayers billions of dollars. Republicans defended
Republicans defended
every single one of these special interest loopholes.